I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we're going to explain how to change multi-product status settings at the same time. Changing multi-product status setting is one of the easiest tasks you can do in the Woocommerce bulk product editing plugin in order to manage and control the status of your products. Filtering in our plugin can help you to select exactly the products that their status must be changed. We explained completely how to filter products on Woocommerce bulk product editing according to the assigned data in another tutorial in our channel. After filtering the preferred products by using the filter form, everything is ready to be bulk edited in the status settings in the bulk edit option. Now, by clicking on bulk edit in the main page of our plugin as it is shown here, a new screen will appear, which is by default in the general tab. In this tab, you have to scroll down to see the product status option, and as you can see, there are 4 different options that make it possible for you to change multi-product status settings, including the first one is draft, in which the products which have not yet been completed and submitted for selling in your online store are categorized under draft status. Pending review, in which these products need to be reviewed to be published in the online store. Then there is private. A product with private status is manufactured by another producer, so it must be sold under a retailer's brand name. Then we have a published. All of your products that the customers can purchase from your e-commerce website are under this category. After choosing one of these status settings and clicking on Do Bulk Edit, the status of the filtered products will change according to your selection. Now, how to change multi-product status setting from the table of Woocommerce bulk product editing plugin. There's also one possibility to change multi-product status setting from the table of products in the main page. The status column is not displayed by default in the table of products, so the store manager must add the status column to the table. You should click on Column Profile in the main page of our plugin, and a new screen including different options that you're able to check and see in the product table will be shown. In this page, you can easily check the status option and then click on Apply to Table. And by coming back to the main page of our plugin, the status column is displayed and you can change the status setting of each product directly from the table.
What?